Hi friends, so in this video I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how I curl my hair, get it to look like this using the curling iron. I know I did a video, a review and a tutorial on how I use the GHD wand, but I've had this curling iron for years and I did not know how to use it, and this year I'm like, I need to figure out how to use this curling iron or I'm giving it away. So I decided to, do a little bit of research, and I think I figured out a technique that I can actually do. And this is how it got my hair, like a nice little, this is for looser, more easy PC curls, or waves, should I say, not really curls. So in this video, I'll show you how I styled my hair like this and the products I used at the end to set my hair and like style it. So if you want to see all of that, keep watching. So take the wand and you just open it up. And you take about an inch of hair and you wrap it around the wand like this, leaving the end out. Leaving the end out gives it a bit of a more undone look. So it's kind of like you're using a wand, like an actual curling wand, not a curling iron. You hold it for about 10 seconds or so, and then you just pull on it a little bit, and there's one, and then you do the same for the next one. Take about an inch of hair, take the wand or the curling iron, I keep calling it a wand, open it up, keep the flap up, and then you curl your hair around the wand, leave the end out. And you can move the wand up and down. This way you get a less defined curl and more of a loose curl. And then there you go. Now for this part at the front. So when it comes to the front, the hair that frames my face, I like to curl it away from my face. So for this one, I will take the curling iron, flap open, put the flap under the hair, and then curl the hair away from my face and just hold. Because when you curl the hair away from your face, it frames your face better. Because if you were to curl the hair towards your face, like turn it this way, you would actually, the hair would move forward in front of your face and it would cover your face. So this way you keep the hair out of your face, but it also frames your face nicely. So that's the reason there. So here's another demo. Brush the strand, curling wand, open flap, put it under, and just curl it around. You can do one or two, depends how long your hair is. You can curl it around the one once or twice. My hair is short, so that is what we're doing. So I'm going to separate this into two pieces just because it's a little thick. So I'll take a smaller piece here. And then this one I'll also curl away from my face. So take this, there we go, and just curl it away from my face. Like when I wrap it around the wand itself, the barrel, I am actually wrapping it away from my face. And guys, if I can do it, you can do it. So again, I take this is for the front again, so we're gonna wrap it around the barrel away from the face. I know I've been saying wand the whole video, I'm sorry. I couldn't remember the word barrel. So that's where we are today. That's how well I'm doing. So we're gonna take the hair, flap facing down or up actually. You know what, it doesn't matter at this point because we're wrapping it away from the face. And it doesn't matter. And there we go. And I just hold it I like the end out. So I like to do, sometimes I like to, on some strands, I like to wrap the hair more tightly around the barrel, so not leave so much of an end out. And on some pieces, I like to leave more of an end out. It just gives it more of a messy look, and I really like that. So now I'm just gonna wait for this to cool a little bit, and then I'll run my fingers through it and see what it looks like at the end. So let's just run our fingers through it. And by ours, I mean mine. And for this look, I usually leave the short little hairs back here untouched because honestly, I'm not that fussed. But if you are and you want to give that a little curl, I would use either a much thinner barrel than this or your straightener. But I haven't yet mastered the straightener curl, like the curl with the straightener. So once I do and I figure out the easy technique, I will share that with you guys. This is the Orbe Dry Texture Spray. What I really like about this, it dries really quickly and it smells really good and it really holds my curl. I sometimes like to flip my hair upside down, give it a little once over, and it does not make your hair feel like dry or like straw and crunchy, so I really appreciate that. When it comes to the wax, I've had this one for a while. One of my friends got it for me. It's actually, it says it's for men, but it's a hair wax. It's a cream wax and it's called Go 24/7. So it looks like that inside. Oh God, it smells so good. It is a masculine smell, but I love a nice masculine smell. Like I love wearing cologne. That's the kind of, I love cologne. Like if it's a musky smell. Okay, so I rub it between my fingers and I get it in there between my fingers, warm it up. There we go. And then I like to just run it through. And if I see a piece, I can just, and it just gives it, see how it separates them a little bit? And it just gives a nice, more messy look, more piecey. And sometimes I like to even put it on the ends. Or if I have like a chunk of hair that's like totally one big piece stuck together, I sometimes like to separate it like this. And if I have flyaways, whatever's left on my hands, I can just put it at the top and it does not make my hair greasy. And around the face, just to frame the hair around the face a little bit. Okay. I think I've talked about this way too much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comments below if there's any other videos you'd like me to make, any other tutorials or product reviews. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you again so much for watching and I'll see you next time.